Hello.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Ahmed. Today I'm basically going to be replacing my brake fluid reservoir bottle. I basically snapped the tab off the bottom of my brake fluid bottle, and you can see basically I bodged it up because I needed a track day and I couldn't find another bottle, and once I did I couldn't get this one off the car. So as you can see, I basically bodged it up with some resin. It sealed up the hole. It was quite a big hole. It sealed up the hole and it lasted me like a few months, maybe 2 months if that. I say a few, but 2 months. I'd done a track day, never had any issues, but obviously it's given way again. So today I'm going to be showing you how to replace this. The biggest struggle is the access. There's literally no access trying to get in. Cool, so basically to take the bottle out, I've undone the 10mm there, which was actually there. So basically that 10mm that was there, I undone that and put that in there. I bent back this AC pipe. And what I'm trying to do is get this bottle out, and you can't undo these hoses, so I'm just going to see if I could twist it off and then show you how I get it off. And then here basically are the two, I don't know how, the in and out or whatever you want to call it, the two pipes for the reservoir bottle. They're held in by just a, not a Jubilee clip, but like a spring clip. So yeah, first of all, I'm going to squeeze them, push them out the way to give me some more space. Once they're out the way, basically, it is a bit of a struggle. It is a real struggle trying to get this bottle out. I struggled. And yeah, you got to do it carefully without butchering your hose. Otherwise you need the whole pump and everything, the ABS and whatever. I don't even know what the unit's called, but the whole, is it the ABS drum or whatever? You need that whole assembly behind it. But yeah, the way I managed to get it off was literally just twist the pipe as much as I could, twist it one way, keep twisting, and then using the pliers I just bent it on itself, and that was enough to pull it away. The other side was a big struggle. It was again that same principle. Once I moved the clip out of the way, just twist it again, twist it the same way. In my case, I twisted it to my right towards the passenger side, kept twisting it, and then used the pliers and put some slight force on the bottle to pull that away. But yeah, so basically you can see where it's all eating up this paint, and that's going to basically start eating up all of that as well. But all of this has gone wrinkly and horrible. That's where it's dripped in the past before. When I done the last repair, basically all I done was put some resin in on the inside as well. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but basically the brake fluid has started. There's the hole. The replacement bottle I picked up from someone breaking the car. Yeah, I managed to get this one out. He didn't remove it. He thought he couldn't get it off. He tried and tried and tried. But yeah, I ended up butchering his hose for it. But the main thing is the bottle's intact. So what I'm going to do is quickly give it a once over, clean it off with some brake cleaner, clean the connectors. I mean, it is dirty a little bit, but I don't know, just clean it up what I can, and that'll do. But yeah, and then for installation is exactly the same as removal. Just those same two hoses, you plug it back into the same place. So basically here's the new bottle. I'm going to line up the two hoses. That one obviously goes in that one, and then that one goes in that one, and then hopefully they should just press into place. There you go, that's it, perfect. Now I got to somehow bring these clips back up. Don't know how I'm going to do that. Oh, I should have done that first. No, I can't even get these off. Basically once it goes back on the thing, it's a pain to take them back off, which is why for the track day and whatnot I needed the car. I just resined it. But basically this clip is back on, and yeah, that's it really. Both the clips are on. The only thing that's left to do is plug this in. So this cable went in here, there, and then in here is that plug. There you go, that's it, and that's it. Basically where I went wrong is there's that tab underneath. I forgot to show you. There's that tab underneath that you can see there. That's supposed to sit in that hole. I snapped that off by accident when I was removing it to install the strut brace. But yeah, so now we just got to top it up with oil and brake fluid, and then I'm going to bleed the brakes again, and then hopefully we're ready for the next track day. And then one thing you want to make sure you do once you've done all of it is make sure you just pour some water over the whole area so you don't damage the paint, because obviously the brake fluid's gone everywhere and the brake fluid is going to burn through your paint. Like you've seen on my rocker cover, it's literally blistered it all up. It's gone horrible where it's been leaking and just seeping down the rocker cover. But yeah, just make sure you wash it over, give it a quick rinse, pour it over some water, and then it should be good. I'm going to be repainting my rocker cover anyway, but yeah. What I'm going to do now is wrap it up, call it a day, that'll do. What I need to do is change the discs and pads and whatnot, because I want to do a track day again. So that will be in another video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, that's how you replace this dirty old brake fluid reservoir bottle. It is a bit of a pain. It's probably one of the hardest jobs I've done, but once you know what you're doing, it isn't that bad. Just remember, keep twisting it before you start pulling it off, and then the hose just pulls off nice and easy. But yeah, no, hopefully I got some more videos coming, and then check out my other videos. Hope you guys support the channel, like, comment, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And yeah, see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.